The Bandsaw Life is proudly sponsored by Powermatic, Carter Products, and Type Bond, the Pro's Advantage. Hey everyone, Alex here. Today I want to show you how to install a urethane tire. Now, don't change your rubber tires out for urethane tires just to get better performance. It doesn't work that way. Rubber tires give you the same performance as a urethane tire, other than the fact that once they've gone bad, the reason you would want to go to a urethane tire is they last longer and you don't have to glue them down. Now, some signs that your tires are bad: you could have some cuts in the tire, they could be loose, and even if you glue them down, they still will come off, they'll throw your blades. There are a lot of different signs that your tire is bad, but you'll know it. And again, when you do, you want to upgrade to a urethane. Better yet, you want to upgrade to a Carter Blue urethane. Carter Blue urethane tires are one of the best tires out there, and I want to dispel the myth that you have to soak them in hot water or make them warm or do all these different things to them just to install it. And a lot of people fight to get these on the saw. It shouldn't have to be that way. I'm going to show you right out of the box. We're going to take Carter urethane tire. Carter Products has been making tires for a very long time. They really know their stuff. Now, I'm going to just use one of these spring clamps. Everybody's got these in their shop, and if you just get 4 or 5 of them, it'll make it very simple to install the tire. So I've just simply clamped it here. I'm going to stretch that around about as far as we can stretch it without really putting much more tension on it, and make sure that when you put the clamp on there, it's actually on the tire. You want to actually pinch the tire to the wheel. And then we'll add a third. And you don't have to get very far each time. You just want maybe an inch or two just to keep it on that wheel. We'll do one more. And then once you've got 3 or 4 on there, it's pretty easy to just stretch that right over. Then you just simply take those off. Work that tire right into the groove. Remember, urethane tires are a little narrower than rubber tires. That way, when you put them on, you want to either push them all the way to the back or all the way to the front. You want to leave that little gap because urethane can spread over time, and you don't want it to spread and bubble up. But that's all it takes to get that tire on there. Now, don't forget, if you've changed your tires and they're thicker or thinner, you may have to readjust those guides. And if you need help there, I've got a video on my YouTube channel, Bandsaw Life, that you can watch on how to adjust those guides. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.